Pesce Spada alla Ghiotta, a dish older than the country that makes it. From Messina, on the strait where Sicily almost touches the mainland. Here they have hunted swordfish for 2,000 years. They call it alla Ghiotta, in the glutton style. It is the way Messina dresses its swordfish, with tomatoes, olives, capers, and celery. Nothing here is rushed. The sauce is coaxed, never hurried, and the fish is laid into it only at the very end, so it stays tender. Servings 4. 15 minutes of preparation, 30 minutes of cooking. Total time 45 minutes. 1.5 pounds of swordfish, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 yellow onion, 2 stalks of celery, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 1/2 cup of green olives, 2 tablespoons of capers, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, and salt. First, the pine nuts. In a dry pan over gentle heat, they are toasted slowly. You will smell them before the color turns, golden and fragrant. Then they are lifted out and set aside to wait. Olive oil, warmed in a wide pan. A yellow onion, finely chopped, slipped in to soften. Then the celery, diced small. They cook together slowly for about 5 minutes until they turn soft and sweet and fragrant. Now the tomatoes, 28 ounces of them, crushed, poured into the pan with a little salt. The sauce begins to bubble, low and slow and steady. For 15 minutes it simmers, darkening as it goes, while the celery grows tender within it. This is the moment it becomes alla Ghiotta. Green olives, pitted and halved. Capers, briny and small. And the toasted pine nuts folded back in, sweet and salty and rich, all at once. The sauce is now everything Messina has always wanted it to be. The swordfish, cut into 4 portions, seasoned simply with salt. Each piece is nestled gently down into the sauce. A little sauce spooned over the top, the lid set in place, and for 10 quiet minutes, the fish cooks in the steam. And there it is, the swordfish, just cooked through, moist and pale beneath a blanket of deep red sauce. Olives, capers, pine nuts, a last thread of olive oil poured over, catching the light just before it is served. History and cultural origins. The swordfish of Messina were hunted long before there was a Sicily. The Greeks wrote of it. Men on tall wooden boats, a lookout high on the mast, a harpoon poised over the water. 2,000 years, and the hunt has barely changed. This is the Strait of Messina, the narrow water between the island and the mainland. Homer knew it. Here, in the Odyssey, he set Scylla, the six-headed rock, and Charybdis, the whirlpool that swallowed ships whole. For 3,000 years, sailors have feared this passage. The currents run fast and cold, and they draw the great fish up from the deep. And still, after all of it, this strait gives the finest swordfish in the whole of the sea. There was a time before the tomato. It came late to Sicily, carried across the ocean from a new world by way of Spain. For 2 full centuries it was feared, thought to be poison, grown in gardens only for its color, never for the plate. And then, slowly, the island learned to trust it. The Ghiotta turned red, and the sauce it wears today is far younger than the ancient dish beneath it. In Messina, swordfish is pride. It is sold fresh on the quay at dawn, whole and silver and taller than the man who caught it. The fishmonger cuts the steaks to order, thick as a fist. Alla Ghiotta is the Sunday way to cook it, a dish for family, for the long table, for the feast days of the saints, eaten slowly with bread beside an open window, with the sound of the sea just below. To serve it, spoon the sauce first, then the fish, then a little more sauce over the top. With bread, always, to gather what the spoon leaves behind. Pesce Spada alla Ghiotta is the rarest kind of recipe, one that has survived empires and myths and the slow turning of the sea. It survives because it was never trying to impress anyone. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it. And the table, at last, is set.